Here I have Samsung Galaxy F04, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device. So in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So what can you do in this kind of a situation? Firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, but unfortunately it says you enter PIN to turn off phone. So what can you do? You have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down to forcefully turn your device off, and right after the screen goes off and your device turns off, you have to release these keys and press and hold power key plus volume up and hold them like this until the screen turns on and you can see Samsung logo appeared. Then you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up. After that, this kind of a menu will appear. Here you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option wipe data factory reset. Then select factory data reset, and after you see the message cache wipe complete, data wipe complete, select an option reboot system now and your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.